Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here, and today I'm here to expose some photography secrets. There are a lot of things that photographers talk about, maybe at the bar or they whisper between their friends, but somehow they just don't make it out to the public, and I don't know, maybe that's the whole idea. They want to keep these kind of things to themselves. But that's why I've put together a very special training track to uncover those ideas, those secrets, those things so you can fast track your photography. I'm doing a free live webinar about the whole concept, and you're invited. Now, this webinar is for those folks who are tired of struggling along, just plugging away at it, and you're only seeing small incremental improvements, and you're out there pretty much going it alone. Look, it doesn't have to be like that, and I've got a bunch of things that I wished I'd learned sooner, that if somebody had just sat me down and told me these things back then, I could have moved ahead years with my photography. Well, that's what I want to do for you. I don't want you to get a little better. I think I can literally save you years and get you a lot better really, really quickly. Join us for this upcoming webinar on my Photographer's Fast Track. It's the stuff that they don't want to tell you, but I sure will. It's a lot of stuff, from the post-processing to the camera techniques, and to just learning the stuff you need to know and not wasting your time learning a bunch of stuff you're never really going to use. It's a lot of shortcuts, it's new ways of thinking, it's eye-opening ideas that will transform the way you make your images forever, and I promise, if you come to this webinar, I'll make it worth your while. We've got something really special to share with you, something we've never done before, and I really believe it's going to transform a lot of people's work in a very meaningful way. It's about getting real results, results you can see, results your friends and family can see in your work, and I lay it all out in this free webinar, so don't miss out. Sign up today and let's do this.